Picked up this little bad boy for the shop to shear, to press, and a punch all in one machine. That's the shear right there, and that is the press right there. Goes through 1/4 inch, pretty much like it's butter. Just, I mean, right through it. So pretty much got it to cut some plate for doing some cups, and also just any of the 1/4 inch stuff that we've got to cut. It can do angle, it can do flat plate, 1/4 inch up to 4 inches, and like I said, it went through 1/4 inch like nothing. But made in America, old school, from the mid 80s, works pretty good. Let's check it out. We call this an iron worker. So this side right here is pretty much a press and a punch all in one. Just pretty much have to tool it up for whatever you need. And then this side, of course, is the shear. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. I can tell you pretty much right now, I think I'm going to make a little hand lever right about here. And just like that, went right through that 1/4 inch like it was nothing. So can't wait to actually get it into use, get it all cleaned up. 18 tons of shear and press ability. Pretty cool. And made in America. Can't wait to get it over in its place, get it all wired up, get the cover back on. I have to actually fabricate a switch cover. When I got it, it was missing its cover, so I'm going to have to fabricate my own. And I managed to ding my cage when I got it off the trailer, so I have to kind of fix a ding that I did. I had a oops. That's alright. That's what fabrication's all about. So this is the new machine for the shop. I can't wait to get it all tooled up, set up where it's supposed to be, and get it into production. Pretty much making metal trusses in the shop, so this machine will pretty much fit the bill for what I need. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.